The International Institute for Democracy and Electoral Assistance, in collaboration with the National Assembly and the Ministry of Justice, with support from the European Union, launched a two-day capacity building training on legal drafting at a hotel in Koto on Friday. The training, led by a consultant, focuses on equipping participants with skills to ensure legal clarity and precision in drafting laws, avoiding ambiguity in every word, clause and provision. Organizers emphasize the importance of these initiatives in enhancing participants' contributions to the Gambia's ongoing constitutional building process. Solicitor General Hussein Thomas underscores the collaboration between the National Assembly and the Ministry of Justice, noting that legislative drafting is vital for good governance as it provides a framework for implementing policies and upholding the rule of law.
A previous training conducted by Professor Shidul, you will recall, provided our council with new insights, tools and approaches to drafting laws that are clear, precise, and responsive to the needs of the country. Many of you who participated in that session have attested to how it has enhanced your capacity to review and produce highly quality legislations. It is on the foundation that success that we are building upon this year, with the aim of deepening those skills and refining our practices further. I need not emphasize that this training is an opportunity not only to learn from our expert, Professor Shidul, but also to share experiences and foster stronger cooperation between the legislative and executive branches in the entire drafting process.
Jaina Bafai, head of IDS Country Office, highlighted the critical role of drafters in promoting accountability and transparency, emphasizing the need for clear, accessible laws written in plain language for public understanding.
This promotes accountability and transparency in governance. The public will rely on you to create laws that are not only clear, but also accessible and written in plain language to be easily understood by all. When the public can read and understand the laws that govern them, they are more likely to respect those laws, leading to greater societal compliance and a healthier democracy. In conclusion, the importance of training drafters in legislative drafting cannot be overstated. It is an investment that pays dividend, not just for our legal system, but for the very fabric of society.
The representative from the European Union described legislative drafting as more than a technical task, noting its importance on governance, accountability, and citizens' daily lives.
Some of the key legislative bills we've seen and we're hoping to see include the Public Order Act, the Criminal Procedures Bill, the Data Protection Bill, the National Security Council Bill, amongst others, all of which are critical to safeguarding the rights and freedoms. And of course, there's a Constitution, the mother of all reforms. I don't think we need to say anything more in this gathering on it, but just to say and to honor all of the hard work that's going into this process. And we hope this honor can be given to recognize all of the extremely hard work that's been going into this.
The National Assembly Clerk Khalifa Mbai commended ID and its partners for their support, emphasizing that governments rely on drafters to express legislative intention accurately.
So it is expected that as councils or drafters, we will ensure that a bill as drafted is in conformity with all existing legislation, common law, but most importantly, the Constitution. Developing the capacity and capabilities of drafters to be able to execute this Herculean task is therefore fundamental and very critical. Much more, as a parliament or National Assembly, with its role in legislation, oversight and representation, which is an essential institution in our democratic governance in this country. The ability of Parliament to perform this function depends largely on technical capacity of services rendered to the National Assembly members by technicians entrusted to provide such services.
International IDEA called on partners and all institutions to invest in training drafters, stating the effective, equitable laws strengthening legal systems and society. Reporting for Kerfatu, I am Ramatulai Jao.